Hello learners, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will discuss the important MCQ on the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005. So let's begin with the first question. The first question is, when did the Domestic Violence Act 2005 come into force? A. 1st April 2005, B. 11 March 2006, C. 21st May 2005, D. 26 October 2006. The correct answer is ऑप्शन डी 26 अक्टूबर 2006। तो ये कौन सी डेट है जब डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस एक्ट फोर्स में आया था। और अगर इसकी एसेंट की डेट पूछ ले कि इसको एसेंट कब मिली थी तो वो डेट है 13 सितंबर 2005। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मेनी सेक्शंस एंड चैप्टर्स आर देयर इन प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ वुमेन फ्रॉम डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस एक्ट 2005? A. 32 sections and 4 chapters, B. 36 sections and 5 chapters, C. 37 sections and 5 chapters, D. 40 sections and 6 chapters. The correct answer is C. 37 sections and 5 chapters. The next question is, which section of the Domestic Violence Act 2005 deals with the duties and functions of protection officers? A. Section 12 of the Domestic Violence Act 2005, B. Section 9 of the Domestic Violence Act 2005, C. Section 14 of the Domestic Violence Act 2005, D. Section 20 of the Domestic Violence Act 2005. The correct answer is B. Section 9 of the Domestic Violence Act 2005. Next question is, Section 12 of the Domestic Violence Act 2005 deals with A. Application of magistrate, B. Protection orders, C. Jurisdiction, D. Duties of shelter homes. The correct answer is answer A. Application of magistrate. Next question is, under Section 12 of Domestic Violence Act, the magistrate shall fix the first date of hearing, which shall not ordinarily be beyond for A. 7 days, B. 3 days, C. 5 days, D. 10 days. The correct answer is answer B. 3 days. Next question is, penalty for breach of protection order by respondent under Section 31 shall be A. Cognizable and non-bailable, B. Non-cognizable and bailable, C. Cognizable and bailable, D. Non-cognizable and non-bailable. The correct answer is answer A. Cognizable and non-bailable. The next question is, under Section 29 of Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005, appeal lies to the Court of Session within A. 60 days, B. 90 days, C. 30 days, D. 120 days. The correct answer is answer C. 30 days. Next question is, child is defined in A. Section 2 subclause E, B. Section 2 subclause H, C. Section 2 subclause B, D. Section 2 subclause I. The correct answer is answer C. Section 2 subclause B. Next question is, after directing the respondent and aggrieved person to undergo counseling, he shall fix the next date of hearing of the case within a period not exceeding A. 2 months, B. 6 months, C. 3 months, D. 1 month. The correct answer is answer A. 2 months. So the last question is, the protection order passed under Section 18 shall be in force till A. The protection officer made further report to magistrate, B. The magistrate may pass any further order, C. The final disposal of the case, D. The aggrieved person applies for discharge. The correct answer is D. The aggrieved person applies for discharge. So that's all from today's video. अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. थैंक यू सो मच.